The accuracy and stability of the temperature control system are crucial for maintaining sample integrity during centrifugation. Temperature control accuracy and stability, temperature range, capability. Refrigerated centrifuges typically maintain temperatures from -20 degrees C to +40 degrees C. Importance. Wide range allows for versatile sample handling. Temperature precision, capability. Precision of plus or -1 degree C, or better. Importance. Ensures reproducible results and sample stability. Temperature uniformity, capability. Uniform temperature distribution throughout the chamber. Importance. Prevents thermal gradients that could affect sample quality. Cooling speed, capability. Rapid cooling to the desired temperature. Importance. Reduces the time samples are exposed to ambient conditions. Temperature recovery, capability. Quick return to set temperature after opening the centrifuge. Importance. Minimizes temperature fluctuations and preserves sample integrity. Temperature monitoring, capability. Continuous display of temperature and alarms for deviations. Importance. Enables immediate response to temperature changes. Compressor technology, capability. Advanced compressors with variable speed control. Importance. Enhances energy efficiency and reduces noise. Heat exchange systems, capability. Efficient heat exchange systems for stable temperature control. Importance. Maintains optimal temperature even during prolonged operation. The accuracy and stability of the temperature control system in a refrigerated centrifuge are vital for maintaining sample integrity and achieving consistent results. To learn more about our range of refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding temperature control accuracy and stability, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.